Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with another gorgeous eye makeup tutorial, and for today's look I have created this pink and purple and greenish gold half cut crease eye look. I think this is a perfect look for any bridal outfit. Especially neon green is very much in fashion nowadays. So in case you are planning to wear a neon green outfit, then this can be a perfect look. Before starting, if you are new to the channel, then hi, I am Nita. I upload makeup, skincare and beauty related videos here on my channel. If those things interest you, then please take a moment to subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. So yeah, without further blabbering, let's get started. First, I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in this shade Cashew, and I'm cleaning up the borders on my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I shared with you my updated eyebrow routine, and in that video, I shared so many tips and tricks to achieve perfect brows each time you do your own makeup. If you are interested, I will link that video down in the description below, so please go ahead and check that out. I'm applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. You can use any eyeshadow primer that you have in your collection. A concealer works perfect for me, and I like to use a concealer because it just cancels out all the darkness that I have on my eyelids. I'm just blending it out using a damp sponge. This particular sponge is from Wet n Wild. I'm taking my e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder in the shade medium, and I'm just setting the concealer so that it does not crease. For my eyes, first I'm taking this brown shade on a fluffy blending brush from Morphe, and I'm applying it as my transition color. And the palette that I'm using is from NYX. This is NYX Ultimate Utopia palette, and I was using the palette for the first time, and I must say I was blown away by the quality. And look at the pigmentation. I did not expect that pigmentation from the palette, and when I started applying it, I was like, whoa, it was like too much. Though I picked up quite a lot of product on the brush, but it blended out beautifully. I did not have any issue with the blending process, and I was super duper impressed with the quality. The pigmentation was there, the blendability was there, the shadows were very opaque, very smooth, and the shimmer shades were also really impressive. You will see. I'm taking this beautiful baby pink shade from the palette, and I am applying it as my transition color. Though the shade is really light, but it blended out beautifully and it was showing up really nicely because it was very pigmented. You will get the exact same shade that you see on the pan. This is the most amazing thing about this eyeshadow palette. You can see it's showing up really well. It was blending beautifully, and I have not tried any eyeshadow from NYX Cosmetics before other than their glitter and liquid eyeshadows. This was the first time I was using a palette, an actual palette from NYX Cosmetics, and I am super duper impressed. Guys, you need this palette in your collection. This palette is so good. It's time to cut my crease, and for that I'm using this lip brush from Puna store, and I am just placing the concealer a little bit higher because I have hooded eyes, and I'm just building up a new crease for myself. And use small strokes because you may mess up, so just use small strokes. And I'm just reapplying the concealer. I generally do not reapply the concealer, but the previous shade was peeping through, so I decided to reapply the concealer all over on my eyelid again. I'm just diffusing the border of the concealer so that blending becomes easier later on. I'm taking this dark purple shade from the palette, and this is my Morphe JS15 brush, and I'm applying it right here on my outer V area. Now this is a purple shadow, and a purple shadow is a little bit difficult to blend, and it is a very dark shadow. So this type of shadows are generally a bit patchy, but with this particular shade it was so opaque, and I was not expecting this quality. It blended beautifully. It was not patchy. It was not chalky at all. I'm taking this very unique shade from the palette, and with this flat shader brush from Morphe, I'm just applying it all over on my eyelid. Now I called it unique because when you first see it in your naked eye, it seems to be a bronzy gold shade, but then when the light hits, it seems like a green shadow. It's not duochrome. Sometimes it is like a very nice green shade, and sometimes it's like a very nice bronzy shade. It's very unique. And I'm just reapplying the baby pink shade between the shimmer shade and the purple shade, just to make it look a little more cohesive. Perfect. And I'm now just drawing a wing using my Wet n Wild Megaliner in the shade Jet Black. And please excuse my wing, in general my eyeliner today, because my eyeliner dried up completely and I had a really hard time applying it, but I tried my best. And this is the only eyeliner that I use, so I did not have any backup of it, and I'm not really comfortable using gel eyeliners, so please do excuse that. Now I'm just tight lining my eyes using my Jordana Easy Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Jet Black. You can use any gel eyeliner or kajal pencil that you have in your collection. Now I'm just applying that dark purple shade on my lower lash line, and I'm making my lower lash line a bit smokier. That way my eyes will appear bigger. Taking that baby pink shade, I'm applying it on the border of the previous shade, just to tie the look together. And see, it's looking beautiful, isn't it? I'm just curling my natural lashes with my Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my L'Oreal Superstar mascara. I will be using falsies off camera. I'm just highlighting my brow bones as well as my inner corners using my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. And I elongated my inner corners, the eyeliner on my inner corners just a bit, but the clip got missing and I'm really sorry for that. And here is the final eye look. I used my Ardell lashes in the style 811 off camera. And here's the final eye look. I truly love the way how the entire look came together. The color combination, everything is so unique. Please let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section down below. It will mean a lot to me. And I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Mwah. Bye.